Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Cassie Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of October, we have a freebie, which I will link as well. If you're interested in grabbing it, in November, there is a new one, so be on the lookout for that one. Today, we're going to go ahead and stuff my Christmas binder. I'm super excited about this. I do need to figure out how I'm going to swap out these bills because this binder is getting pretty thick. I'm excited about it, but Christmas is going to be here soon, and I need to see where I'm at and what's happening with my Christmas binder. So let's go ahead and pull out our savings challenges that we've completed that need to be cash stuffed, and we will see here. I'm not going to pull my envelopes out, and we'll go ahead and separate the money, and then we'll give it a quick count. But I'm set the savings challenges there that I completed in order to do this cash stuffing. So you've already seen these savings challenges, and you've excuse me, you've gotten the information of where I've gotten them from already, so it's not anything new. But we will stack them here so I can add them into my completed envelope because I like to keep, just so that way I can look back and see what I've done. Yes. Oh man, this little bit goes a long way for me. So if you're discouraged and not sure if you want to save or if you can save or anything like that, trust me, it's worth looking into. Okay, sorry, I have to see about my puppy. She's like running around. Okay, so completed all these savings challenges. Go me! I'll set them off to the side. So let me just state that a couple of these have already been fully funded, so we'll go ahead and skip those. The first one was Victor. The second one is Vincent. Mommy is supposed to be getting some money. My goal was $50, but it's not my main focus. I want to make sure I get PTO completed, but my 25 days of Christmas is fully funded for $150, but I did let you know there was a change in plans for the 25 days. My kids want a VR headset, and then I have my PTO. Let's count up how much we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. 66 bucks is what we are working with today. Fantastic. I love to see it. So for those of you who are new, my process is I stuff my mini Mondays and freebie Fridays and save a little bit at a time. Not only does it give me content, but it also gives me the motivation to keep going and saving, because I'm not saving a lot. There'll be a couple times where I'll get a little bit of extra money and I can save a little bit more than I typically would, but sometimes you'll see a cash stuffing for $7. Sometimes you'll see it for $12 or something like that, but that adds up over time to this. I am able to stuff my binder, and I'm saving money, and I'm reaching goals, and my mind is completely blown by this. Mostly what I've done is cut back my spending and my allowance, and then if I'm able to pick up extra shifts or any side hustles or anything like that, I've also won a couple of giveaways, and then of course generous people have gifted me money as well. So very humbling because I mean, I try not to share too much, but these past few months, with my situation, everything going on, I've been taking care of my children completely alone by myself, and hopefully it won't be that way, you know, much longer. But you know how life happens, and you fall in love, you marry somebody, and then sometimes it just doesn't work out the way that you had hoped and planned and dreamed, and it disrupts the family dynamic. And so that's why I'm striving so hard to try to give something special for my kiddos. And obviously I can't, you know, go crazy, but I can try to meet those little goals, the things that they like the VR set. That's fun for them because they can play together. And I want to be able to give them that. So anyway, before I get all mushy, because here we go, I want to thank everybody for continuing to come back, because this month I was able to get a YouTube paycheck, and hopefully going forward we'll start seeing it, you know, more often, because it's a lot of fun to have a little bit of extra cash as well. Anyway, let's get this money stuffed. What are we going to do? We need to, I have a $20 bill over here we can switch out, so let's do that. I know I want to save my $2 bills. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm going to go ahead and take these ones out. And we'll put a 20 here. And then we can figure out what we're stuffing. Because I think most of this is really just going to go into PTO. Because the special gift for my, excuse me, the special gift for my kiddos, I set a goal of $50. We did reach that goal, and so PTO is where we are trying to get to. I think, should I put something? Let's put $5 into Mommy, because I kind of want to. If anything, I will put this money together instead of getting me a gift. Put that money with my PTO. So we're gonna go ahead and add $5 to this envelope here. And of course I don't have my Sharpie, and I've yapped enough, so I'm not going to look for it. I'll add in the total, update my tracker at the end. So we have $20, $40, $45. So $5 more bucks, and this one's going to reach its goal as well. And then we'll put a fully funded slip in there, and we will go forward. Oh my gosh. And Christmas is coming very, very soon. I've been busting my hump trying to get my Christmas bingo savings challenge completed, so that way I can put it into my PTO as well. And I think I'm going to have to push a little bit harder to get that done before Christmas, because this is putting us close to 1 week of being off at Christmas break, but I kind of wanted to get it to 2 weeks. So we'll see. All right, so for PTO, we have $301. Let's just add the rest of this in there, and we're going for it, you guys. We have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Adding $61 here. And I'm excited about it. $61, you guys. Oh, so close to having that 1 week. So now in total, I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 320, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. $362. And you guys, that is incredible. Average, without working any extra shifts or anything like that, after taxes and, you know, fees and everything comes out of my check, because I work part-time, my weekly pay is about $380. And so I'm hoping to get that to $380, so that's at least 1 week. And then if I'm able to save more, 380 more, then I'll take 2 weeks off. What I'm going to try to do is budget and see exactly what I need, because there's going to be a difference in, you know, actively working and having to get back and forth to work and having to get the kids back and forth to school and things like that. So there'll be some things I'll be able to cut out of my budget. So I won't necessarily need that much money, but I still need to make sure my bills are covered. So there's that, you guys. But I love to see all of this progress. I hope you're enjoying it as well. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming back and checking on me one more time. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. See you next time. Bye, guys.